Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and use PayPal on PANDABUY. So if you're looking to buy stuff off PANDABUY and you want to use PayPal, this tutorial is going to show you exactly the step-by-step process to do that. So now you just want to go to a product that you want to buy. So I'm just going to go here and click on that and type shoes, and now I'm going to press enter, and now you just scroll through and look for the product that you want to buy. Say that I want to buy these black shoes here. So now to buy this, you just want to go to a size that you want to pick, and then you want to click the inventory, how much you want, and now you want to go to here and click agreed, and now you want to go buy now. And now I got to click a category as it says, and I'm going to click that one there and click buy now. And now I want to make sure the destination is set to the place that you want it to go. So if you're in America, you would want to write United States. If you're in UK, you write United Kingdom, and so on. So you just want to click that, and now you want to say I have read and agreed, and click submit order. And now this is a checkout, so you can pay with this one here, or PayPal, credit card, LE Pay Plus, or Stripe. But for this video, we are going to use PayPal because that is a tutorial. And now you want to click confirm payment. And all you got to do is put in your email or mobile number, then click next, and then put your password in, and then it will say pay with PayPal. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please hit that thumbs up button, and if you want to subscribe, please subscribe. Thank you. Peace.